Create a circle in the top view and extrude it 400 millimeters. In the front view, draw a circle that represents one of the small cylinders. Generate the solid according to the height indicated on the plan. Create a rounding with the fillet operation. To design the rest of the cylinders, convert the top face into an entity. Then, draw a spiral starting from the previously drawn circle. The values of the spiral are those indicated in the drawing. Finally, proceed to generate the solids with the curve-driven pattern operation, where direction 1 is the spiral, and the operations to consider are the small cylinder and the fillet. The distance between the cylinders is 30. The face normal to the pattern is the surface of the large cylinder. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.